Hey guys, so this is a new game called GoGo Vr. It's in beta testing right now, and we're beta testing for it. And well, I'm just gonna show you everything around. Okay, so since it's only in beta, it's gonna everything's kind of how do I say it, low poly, I guess. I don't know, maybe so. Here's the mini games that we are. Let's just play. Oh my god! And these things become. What the hell? Oh. Okay. Slam dunk. Oh, okay. I'll try that again. No, okay. No, okay. Yay, I did a point. 360. Oh, okay. 360. No, the other way. Wait. 3. I know. Yay! No, okay. Oh, okay. Yay! Yay! Okay, let's carry on. I fell. Which one did I get? This is like a parkour. Oh, okay, so that's each. Okay, so what is this house? I haven't seen anything about this. Yeah. Oh, it's like a. Hello. I mean, we got this. We got a nice shelf. And we just clean. Oh, I know. Sorry, there's some parkour course thing. I think. Yeah. I don't really know what it is. What is this? You know, my every hello. Go. What is these? I don't get this. Oh. Okay, so here's the shop. I do get like coins daily. Money. Oh, cat. Okay, I don't know what that is. Oh, okay, the never mirror. Hello. This is cool. Mini games. Look at that. Wait, why don't we jump off the map? Yeah, the camera's over here. Let's go see what happens if I jump off the map. Yay! I'm gonna jump. If everything doesn't get in my gun. Okay, can I just like... Yeah, I'll get that back. Three, two, one. Ah! What is it? So you just go back to spawn if you fall off. So that's just cool. Okay, we'll see this. I don't care. These bushes, I mean, we could if you go through them. Let's see if there's anything in the garden. Well, there is a bench. But, okay, so this game is cool. This game is cool, and, well, that's gonna be it. Bye. That's my